Welcome to the Short Hills Hilton in Short Hills, New Jersey. Sorry about that. This is my room where I stayed after my brother's wedding. And here you'll see a place to hang, it's my tux. There's a lighted mirror. You got a bathroom here. And this is a pretty odd setup up here to have the towel rack in the shower. Kind of a little weird, but it works. Just because the shower head's aimed down far enough so it doesn't get everything all wet. Faucets, I believe, are Delta. The toilet is a Kohler Wellworth. Not the classic, just, you know, a newer one with the door handle. I'll give it a flush for you. Nice bathroom. Toilet could be a bit better, but that's, you know, is what it is. It's got the dreaded aqua piston and a Fluid Master, I believe, 400A. It's got an okay flush. Sink area looks really nice. Okay. Now we're going to the rest of the room. The bed was, as you can tell, really comfortable. I slept really well. And I've never seen a hotel offer an iHome. So you can, you know, dock your iPhone onto it and, you know, charge it or whatever. That's pretty cool that they provide it. Your hotel telephone, remote, TV, coffee station, ice bucket, and your typical glasses. And this work table here actually got a little desk there, and you got, it's on wheels. I can't really do it without one-handed, but it pulls out. All right. Just a brief overview, and that's pretty much the rest of the hotel room, what it's like. Y'all have a good day, and we'll see you in the next video.